Yo, what's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Matt. You know where we coming from, bro. We coming from the set. Today, bro, we headed over to Hibbett's to pick up a pair of Jordan 1 lows, man, in the OG cut again. And hopefully this time we don't have any QC issues like we had with the Obsidian colorway. The colorway we picking up today, bro, is the Jordan 1 low OG Golden Harvest. Let me stop. You already know it's the rookie of the year, man. So without further ado, folks, you know I ain't gonna waste no time. Let's get over to Hibbett's and pick them joints up. Let's go. Sneakers, electronics, toys in the mix. The sets got the scoop, all the latest tricks. So hit that subscribe button, join the fam. We unpacking heat, ain't no scam. Sneakers, electronics, toys in the mix. The sets got the scoop, all the latest tricks. Oh boy. All right. So we back, man. We back at the crib. This, my friends, is the Jordan 1 Low OG in the Golden Harvest, aka Rookie of the Year colorway. I say that with a lot of heart and trepidation, right? Because we have confirmed what I thought before, the QC issues on these shoes. And it's crazy. Take a look.
Yeah. So like I was telling him, the other guy came, and I was telling him that they was defective, but he still wanted them. Out of the 20 shoes we got, it was three pairs came
That's tough,
legit,
bro.
and that same happened with the Obsidians as well.
Yeah.
We just have a whole box back there that we're just gonna send back out.
Back. Because that's what I heard. Like the rumor was that it was a lot of.
That's why the Obsidians got pushed back.
Yeah. Okay.
And these, they're not perfect, but they're one of the better pairs from the other ones. I can show. I'll bring the other pair and I'll show you how bad they are.
Yeah.
Compared
Let me
to
see.
these.
Yeah. Let me see.
Smaller
The
sizes.
smaller size. Like it was.
Look at
this.
It looks like it got bit out.
It like it got ate up, bro. Yeah.
And they came like that from the factory. Not even just, people get upset at us because we can't sell them, but it's like, I don't want to sell you a messed up shoe. This is probably the worst pair I've seen. I just grabbed this pair. I didn't even know it was like this.
Damn. Boy, that look like somebody took a bite out of them joints. That's crazy.
But compared to yours?
Yeah. Nah, I'm good.
You got a good pair.
I'm good. Now, as you can see, I did manage to snag a pair with very minimal, if any, QC issues. And now upon further review, I do notice one issue, but it's not a major one for me. And my Wings logo is a little drunk. But needless to say, man, these joints is straight flame, bro. Like I'm good with these, even though I'm a little off my axis here. These are super clean to me. The combination of the sail tumbled leather, this is when sail is done right. And the Golden Harvest overlays over this shoe is just, it's a chef's kiss for your boy, man. And needless to say that the materials, you gonna definitely tell that if you get a good pair that the materials are super premium. Well, they look and feel premium on this shoe. But let's take a closer look because we do have a bit of red on here. We do have the classic Nike Air branding on the tongue, which is always a welcome sight when we talk about these OG releases, along with the Nike Air on the butt end of the shoe on certain shoes. But the swoosh is in fact a rich black nubuck contrasting beautifully with that sail base. Again, this is when sail is done right. And of course, you can't forget about the Wings logo on the heel tab, which I just noticed mine is a little drunk, but it's fine because this is the signature on the Jordan 1 lows. Placement matters. Placement matters. The shape of this shoe is absolutely fantastic. It's got that classic silhouette that we all know and love when we talk about Jordan 1 lows. And you can see, if you get a good pair, the attention to detail that they put in the stitching on the paneling of these shoes. Now, underneath, we have the same old tried and true black traction pattern on the bottom of the outsole here, with that herringbone traction pad, which I don't think you're gonna need if you're rocking some lows. Ain't nobody doing all that, but if you do, it's there. Now, as I mentioned earlier, the materials on these are exquisite. I say that in quotes because it is. Now, the tumbled leather on the sail panels here feels high quality. Also, in the toe box, it has a very nice texture to it, nice and squishy, and it gives the leather a premium feel. Along with the panels here, it also gives it that luxurious feel. Not to mention, the swoosh also gives it that nice, luxurious quality when you talk about leather being used on a shoe. Now, the colorway Golden Harvest, okay, whatever, Rookie of the Year. The sail combination is done right in this shoe. It adds that unique and stylish flair to it that pays tribute to Michael Jordan's career, even without the direct inscription of the Rookie of the Year thing that they had on the inside of the Jordan 1 highs in the Rookie of the Year colorway. But needless to say, this colorway ties it directly to that shoe because that's what it is. But let's get into the details, bruh. While we are missing some details that some people just really wouldn't want to tie this shoe to the Rookie of the Year. The OG branding on the tongue, the Wings logo on the heel says this is a true OG, and it sticks to that Jordan 1 low OG design. Now, the Golden Harvest color itself is indicative, again, of the Rookie of the Year. Now, if you've had one Jordan 1 low OG, you've had them all, right? They are generally comfortable for everyday wear. They provide decent cushioning, although it's not the most technologically advanced, if you know what I mean, in types of comfort. They get the job done. You can wear this shoe every day if you choose to, all day. I typically do when I wear mine. But far as sizing, go true to size. Unless you got wide ass feet like two bricks sitting in a pair of shoes, then you might want to go up a half size. Trust me, I'm not hating on wide foot people. I'm just making jokes. It's all good. Don't not subscribe to the channel. Had to throw that little part in there. Just hit the, don't cost you a thing, bro. Hit the ding. Feel me? Okay. Styling. These are incredibly easy to style because it's a colorway that we already know and have. The unique colors add a bit of versatility to that, enough to pair with a pair of jeans, shorts, jorts, whatever you want to call them, chinos, you name it. It's an easy shoe to pair with anything. Now, before I started making this video, I checked the sneakers app and it said sold out. Now, that might be some bullshit, but it is what it is. It says they're sold out, so we'll see. Now, I think maybe the narrative with the Rookie of the Year combined with the potential or limited stock due to the quality control issues of this shoe may have led to it saying sold out. Because as you can see previously, earlier in the video, that the store I went to got 20 pairs and they were only able to sell 4, and this was one of them, and it still had some quality controls issues. So if you're a fan of the Jordan 1 High OG Rookie of the Year, I definitely wouldn't sleep on these. If you are a fan of Jordan 1 lows in the OG cut, I definitely would not sleep on these. Now, I just noticed my quality control issue on this shoe. Is it a flaw enough for me to just be like, nah, it's going back? No, I don't really care that much. It's not one of those things that I gotta see anyway, so I really don't care. And if somebody want to be like, bro, them fake, I don't really give a shit. So it is what it is. But if you are thinking about picking up these, take them, yeah, go local, touch them. Open the box, they'll let you look at them, and there you go. You'll be fine. But I wouldn't order these online. I would not. Well, thinking that you're going to keep them, because you might not. So, yeah. So, let's round this thing off, man. These shoes are a premium Jordan 1 low in the OG cut. The colorway has a story. It has history. These are colors that we already have if you are a sneakerhead. And it would make a great addition to any collection from a sneakerhead to another. This is probably one of them ones you gotta have. So there you have it, man. The Jordan 1 Low OG in the Golden Harvest, aka Rookie of the Year colorway. Are you guys really feeling these, or are you like, nah, I'm good, bro? It's too much other shit coming out in the next couple weeks. We had the SB4s that just released on Shock Drop. We got the white cements that's coming out. We got the Rare Air 3s, the Rare Air 4s. We got all kind of stuff coming out. So are you skipping these because of that? Or are you skipping these because of the potential quality control issues? Or are you doing like most people, because you know these are probably going to go to the outlet because they're going to restock and restock. I don't know the climate these days. I really don't know the climate these days. So let me know down in the comment section, bro. What you think about these? Would you keep these with the Wings logo looking like that? Would you? It's not terrible, but yeah, it's off. If you look at the other shoe, you look at it, it's off. So let me know down in the comment section, bro. Talk to your boy in the comment section. I live there because yeah, I don't have to pay rent in the comment section, and you don't either. So hit me up in the comment section. Again, hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell. If you don't do anything else today, that's free. People always say free is for me. Free is hitting that notification bell, because I need all the help I can get. We're trying to take this thing to another level here on the set. We are slowly or vastly approaching 10K, which I, for one, didn't ever think that would happen. I know there's other YouTubers out there with all kind of shit. I don't care about that. I'm talking about me. This me right now. You see that guy? That's Mario. That's me. So do that for your boy, man. I'm Money Matt. I'm gonna get on out of here, folks, and go enjoy the rest of my day, as you should as well. I'll see you folks in the next one. Thanks for watching. QC be gone. I'm out.